Good morning, students. Here we are with the theme setting, main points, and short question answers, characters of the chapter that we have completed, that is Low Spring. And dear students, you all are informed to write all these things in your notebooks, okay? Firstly, we are going to discuss about the theme of this chapter. It foregrounds the grinding poverty of the slum children and Bengal maker. They lost the spring of their life, that is the youth of their life, in the bread winning activity. Do you know what is the meaning of bread winning? ब्रेड विनिंग मीन्स खाने के लिए, कि खाना खाने की तलाश के लिए, अपने आप को जीवित रखने के लिए, अपनी भूख को मिटाने के लिए. देयर इज़ नो चाइल्डहुड इन देयर चाइल्डहुड. उनके बचपन में कोई बचपन नहीं है. दे लीड अ मिजरेबल लाइफ डिवॉइड ऑफ ऑल द फैसिलिटीज़. डिवॉइड मीन्स देयर इज़ नो फैसिलिटी, इवन नॉट enjoying 2 times मील, इवन दो टाइम का खाना भी नहीं खा पा रहे हैं. एंड नेवर कमिंग आउट ऑफ ड्रेचरी ऑफ देयर लाइफ, एंड दे आर नॉट एबल to become their self, get rid from the same thing. And here is the setting of the story. The story uses Bangladesh, Simapuri and Firozabad. And here is the spelling mistake of Firozabad. I think by mistake it is I will be there, okay? As the place of action, the rag picker in the story have come from Bangladesh and have got settled in Simapuri, where they are involved in the rag picking task. The other story is about the Bengal makers who live in Firozabad and slog their daylight hours around hot furnaces. Okay, and this is the thing, this is the setting of the story. And here are about the three major characters. One is Sahibe Alam, another is Mukesh, and third one is Savita. Okay, and here are some main points of the story. That is, Saib has left his home long ago, set amidst the green field of Dhaka. He has left his home and he came here in the Simapuri area of sorry, सीमापुरी एरिया ऑफ दिल्ली. हिज होम इवन अ डिस्टेंट मेमोरी. इसका जो घर है बहुत दूर है. साहेब पिक्स रेग्स because there is nothing else to do for him. What he is doing? The rag picking. He want to go to school but there are no school in their in his neighborhood. उसके पड़ोस में कोई भी स्कूल नहीं है, इसलिए वो स्कूल नहीं जा पाता. His full name is साहिब आलम, which means Lord of Universe, but he does not know its meaning. He is unaware with the meaning of his word, meaning of his name. The rag picker tell the narrator that it's their tradition to stay barefoot, but the narrator takes it just an excuse to explain away the perpetual state of poverty in which situation they all are living. The narrator caught the story of the priest boy to explain how everybody's condition has undergone a change, but rag pickers are still the same. She is saying that everybody is changed, but the situation of rag pickers is same only. When the narrator visited the place again 30 years later, she realized that the son of the priest now has everything. Mukesh takes the narrator home, which is being rebuilt, and here are the other points. Mukesh's father, who first worked as a tailor, then a bangle maker, was unable to renovate his house and to send his two sons to school. Mukesh's grandmother feels that Govillage cannot be broken. What was the thinking of Mukesh's father? That what is the destiny of the same thing that can't be changed? Okay, mean to say what the situation is that can't be changed, what our customs is that can't be changed. The people in Firozabad have bangles of all colors around them, but there is no color in their life. The children sits alongside their parents in flickering light of furnaces, welding pieces of glass, grow up, often losing the brightness of their eyes. Even after some time, what they become, they not able to see the things properly. Savita is a young girl from the Bengal maker's family. She does not know about the sanity of Bengals she helped make. What she is doing, she does not know for what it is, that what is the importance of these Bengals. The Bengal makers are caught in a vicious circle of middlemen. They have no leader among them because they are not having any leader. They are caught between two words. One is the word of family, caught in the web of poverty, burdened by stigma of caste and other a vicious circle of sahukar. My dear students, many times we got a question from this thing, so I'm saying you all कि please learn it properly. This point must be learned in a proper way, because what is the talking here? Here is the talking about the two words कि दो संसार हैं कि okay, one circle is for the stigma of caste and another is for what? The another is for the circle of sahukars. Okay, you must learn it properly. Okay, and here are the some questions that we have discussed also in between the chapter, that mention the hazards of working in the glass bangles industry. Explain for children garbage has a meaning different from what it means to their parents. We have discussed in the chapter also. And here is the next question, that is, would you agree that promises made to poor children are rarely kept? Why do you think this happens in the incident narrated in the text? Because she promised with him na, that I'll make a school. That was just a false promise only. What explanation does the author offer for the children not wearing footwear? Ki what was the explanation? Ki barefoot remaining is their tradition, but it was not true. It was just an excuse. And here is the next question, that is, why does the, so sorry for inconvenience, wait for a minute. Why does the steel canister seem heavier than the bag Sahib used to carry? As I told you in the chapter also. Why? Because he lost his liberty, he lost the freedom. Here is the next question. How is Mukesh's attitude to his situation different from that of his family? Why? Because what was the dream of Mukesh? Mukesh said ki I wanna be a motor mechanic. I don't want to follow the bangle making tradition. That's why he was different. And another question is here. His dream looms like a marriage. Whose dream looms like a marriage? Why? Whose dream was there? Mukesh's dream was there because he belongs to a poor caste. He belongs to a Bengal maker family, and all what they all believe ki what is the art tradition, that the same we have to follow. Here is the next question, that is, what is the irony underlying Sahib's home? What was the irony? The irony was in the Sahib's name. The irony was because he was unaware with the meaning of his name. Because what was the meaning of his name? That was Lord of Universe. Okay. And here is, why don't the Bengal makers organize themselves into a cooperative? Okay, why they are not working? Because they are caught in a vicious circle that I told you in the points also. The same also you can just write. And here is the next, justify the title Law Spring. Okay, ki what is the title Law Spring? Ki title spring means spring denotes the energetic fresh season, but here is about the lost, that is lost childhood, lost happiness, lost energy, lost freshness, lost fragrances. Okay, how, in your opinion, can Mukesh realize his dreams? Because Mukesh is having, if anyone can dream for that, if anyone is having for the passion for that, what he used in the same, he garage is not so much far. I can walk to got to the garage. Okay, and here are the questions again. What forces conspire to keep the workers in the Bengal industry of Firozabad in poverty? Because they are not having any emotions, they are just exploited by sahukars, middlemen. And here is the next one. Simapuri, a place on the periphery of Delhi, yet miles away from it, metaphorically explained. Now, Simapuri is on the periphery of Delhi, but what the writer want to say here? The writer want to say that they all are not having the standard like of Delhi. For saying, we can say they are living in Delhi, but in real they are not even a little bit matched to the Delhi. Okay, under what condition the rag pickers in Simapuri life? They are not having any drainage, any running water, they don't have any permit or identity card, but they have ration cards. Why? Because what is their thinking? That we just have to eat, we just have to live. That is the thinking only. Okay. And here is the next question, the last one. Why does Anis Jung narrate the story of a young priest boy? Why? Because he want to say that everybody's condition is improved, but except reg pickers. Okay, which are the two distinct worlds the Bengal maker feel themselves caught in. They are in the two vicious circles are there. Okay, two vicious circle are there that I had defined also. I think you all have seen also ki how many times these vicious circle are na. So please note down these questions and learn them properly. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye, take care.